Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box for July 2020. Just FYI, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hitting the like button is super important, and I tend to always say it at the end instead of the beginning. So, Lilith. This is very, very appropriate because I've been reading The Holy Wild by Danielle Dulski, and it's really, really like, wow, moved me. And I've been thinking about her a lot lately. So awesome, I'm excited. Lilith, Queen of Witches. So beautiful artwork. I love this little snake here, and I love these. You guys know that. I'm going to try with the not sharp edge of the blade. Yep, I did it. What's my fortune? It's a beautiful rose on the back. And on the front is the Queen of Skulls. I'm going to have to see what suit that is. Pentacles maybe, right? That's pretty cool. I'd love to be the Queen of Abundance. I love this. She has really, really pretty paper. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. I love it. Here's her card. Oh, we got a Lilith candle. So cool. Perfect to light while I'm reading Holy Wild by Danielle Dulski. I love it. Love it. Love the smell. I love these three little vials. This is one of my favorite boxes. I love these little vials. They feel so magical. And no, I have not found a shell for them yet, but I will. Periwinkle. Casting circle. And an incense blend. It looks like dragon's blood. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells. Ooh, it smells so familiar. Like, it's got to be like sage or rosemary or something very strong herbaceous plant. I love it. We've got a tea bag and a root herbal tea. So that sounds really good. Sarsaparilla root, chicory root, roasted dandelion root, carob pod, cinnamon, fennel, crystal malt, and coconut. So that sounds good. We got a little pretty bag here. A worry stone. What are you? I don't know what kind yet, but I will find out shortly, and I love the shape. Ooh, yes. Matches. Woo woo. What do we got here? Oh, yes. This all smells so good, and I love the matches. They're a wonderful touch. I was just thinking how badly I need long matches. I mean, I don't know how long these are, but I need long pillar candle matches for my ofrendas in like a bad way. Those stupid barbecue lighters always go out. It makes me mad. Looks like I got some Lilith oil. Very cool. How does it smell? Smells coconutty to me, and like a musky perfume or something. I'm not sure. I'm not very good at smell identification. All right, what is it? Ooh, it's a snake. So pretty, and I love it. It's like on the roots. I love that. Awesome. Let's read the insert. This is really, really cool. I love this. Alright, Lilith is one of the oldest known female spirits of the world, dating back to the bird-serpent goddess of antiquity. Her roots come from ancient Mesopotamia, where she was considered a wind spirit. To the Babylonians, she was the queen of the night and is depicted on a clay terracotta plaque from 2000 to 1600 BCE as a beautiful winged woman flanked by owls and perched upon two lions. The women in the relief is acknowledged to be a goddess as she wears the horned headdress of a deity and holds the sacred rod and ring symbol in her raised hands. However, there is some debate whether this represents Lilith, or Inanna Ishtar, or Ereshkigal. She is described as a beautiful woman with flowing red hair adorned in layers of red fabric and wears a seductive cloak of glamour that is irresistible. She wears jewels that act as talismans, preventing most from seeing her true self. These energies are delicate to work with, but powerful in their ability to invoke transformation. self-realization, and empowerment. As one of the most misunderstood archetypes of all time, she has been historically villainized because she refused to be bound by a man's patriarchal laws, flying free of conventional restraints. Her presence insists on we repossess our sacred powers and no longer tolerate inequality, dishonor, or self-sacrifice. So, let's look at what we got in here. We got, she had a handmade grapevine and twig pentagram. Star, I love it. We've got Lilith incense. I love it. It smells great. The casting salts, of course. Then the ritual oil. Dragon's blood, resin, vanilla, amber, rain-soaked woods, and night-blooming florals in this almond oil base with nourishing vitamin E. Interesting. Dragon's blood, sage in the glass vial. I knew it was very herbaceous. I love this. This is great. Periwinkle herb. It's the violet of sorcerers. It's the patron herb of witches and may be added to any magical mixture to enhance the working. It's used to attract inner and outer beauty and the mojo bags for abundance, lust, and protection. It can summon courage and banish fear. Sardonyx. Ooh, sardonyx. Meditation stone. It's a multicolored variety of banded onyx. Normally onyx bands are black, but in this form they have alternating reddish and white bands, with its mixture of carnelian, onyx, and quartz. This gemstone may be used by holding it between the index finger and thumb and gently moving your thumb around the stone in a circular motion. The Lilith candle with a serpent matchbox. So it's apple, jasmine, cedarwood, fern, sage, juniper, dried botanicals, and essential oils. I absolutely love it. It smells good. And then the root herbal tea. Oops, right here. And a tea bag. The serpent charm. So snakes are deeply associated with spirits, psychic abilities, and magic due to their connection to the shadow world. As snakes shed their skin through slowing, they're symbols of rebirth, transformation, immortality, and healing. Intuitively drawn tarot card is from the Tarot of Vampires. Cool. And Lilith art print by Christie. So very, very cool. I absolutely love the theme. And again, like, I'm just really lucky that way, and that I get, the boxes that I get are always so timely and so appropriate. One of my things that I did on my vacation was I tried really hard to get as far into The Holy Wild by Danielle Delsky, and the first part, the element of earth, is about like a reimagining of Lilith, and it really resonated deeply with me. I didn't get far into the book because it's a really heavy, luscious, like delectable read. It's dense like fudge, I guess I would say, in a sweet way, but also, you know, there's lots of family obligations when you're doing trips like that. So I hope to get more of it done in the upcoming weeks, because I absolutely love it, and it really deeply resonated with me, and I can't wait to talk about it on my channel. But I digress. This box was A++. I love it. Awesome. So I'm going to leave the information below. I've gotten every one of these that she's made, so I've done this for a long time, and I really am enchanted by this particular theme. I don't know if I've seen a Lilith theme in my boxes before. I don't think so. So this is my first one of that. Points for originality as well. And cool. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.